Hi everybody. In last video, what we discussed the nature of the salt solution of strong acid and strong base. The nature is concluded as a neutral nature because it is a salt of strong acid and strong base. Both are strong. That is why the resultant solution will be neutral. Okay. So that pH is equal to 7. That's what we conclude in a last video. In this video, we are going to discuss about the nature of an other type of salt. That is salt of, what is that one? That is the hydrolysis of salt of strong base and weak acid. Base, strong base, and acid will be weak acid. Weak acid we have to take, both combinedly giving one salt. That salt we are doing hydrolysis, then that nature will come. That's what we are going to study now. So what is a strong base? NaOH is a strong base. What is a weak acid I am taking? What is a weak acid? Acetic acid. Both combinedly giving, it is a salt. What is a salt? It is a salt of strong base, weak acid, water coming. Over. Forget it. Now, hydrolysis of salt. What salt we are going to hydrolysis now? CH3COO Na. This salt. Hydrolysis means you are adding water. So, after reaction, after salt hydrolysis, what is the resultant solution? Acidic, basic or neutral? That's what our study now. Okay. In aqueous solution, this is a salt. It is completely dissociated. How to dissociate completely? CH3COO minus and Na plus dissociated. And once the dissociation is over, ions formed. What is an anion? Acetate ion. What is a cation? Sodium ion. If we are observing these two ions, this is a conjugate base of a weak acid. If CH3COOH is a, we know that CH3COOH is a weak acid. So it is losing H plus means what is forming? CH3CO minus forming. This is forming. This is a CH3CO minus is a strong conjugate base. What I want to say? This is a strong conjugate base. Anyway, it is a base. Base means it is having a tendency towards to react with H plus ion. So what is forming? This CH3CO minus plus H plus, because it is a, what is that? It is a strong conjugate base. So conjugate base, anyway it is a base, strong base you can consider. This strong base can capture this H plus, it can give CH3COOH, which is unionized. Once the CH3COOH is formed, once this weak acid is formed, it is not giving this CH3CO minus and H plus ions again, because this is a weak acid. Weak acid means which is difficult to give H plus ions. That is why once the CH3COO minus the conjugate base of a weak acid, this one, and it has a tendency, because it is a strong base, that is why tendency to react with the H plus to produce unionized acid. Unionized acid means this one. What is the acid? What is the name of the acid formed here? CH3COOH. Now, what is the other side? Na plus. There is no such tendency for Na plus to react with the OH minus. Why? In case, just consider this Na plus, this negative part reacting with H plus, there is a weak acid formed. Weak acid means not going to dissociate, so that accepted, it is unionized acid. Over. What is second part? Na plus. Na plus has to react with the OH minus ion. But what you are expecting? NaOH you are expecting. NaOH is a strong base. Strong base means again it is giving Na plus OH minus. Again same ions only giving. That is why this tendency not positive. So that is why no such tendency for Na plus to react with OH minus. That is the final equation. What is there? The CH3CO minus in the water because hydrolysis. Water. What is the equation coming? CH3COH and OH minus ions positive. In the resultant equation, what are the ions are available? What are the only OH minus ions are available? OH minus ions available means they are representing a basic nature. Basic nature they are representing. OH minus are there. Basic nature representing means what is the pH? You can conclude pH will be definitely greater than 7. And again we are going to derive the formula for pH also in a next video. But how this equation we got? I will talk in terms of equations just to see. It is not given in the textbook, but in easy way I will talk how to get the equation clearly. See, what is the salt we are talking about? A salt. What is the salt we are taking? CH3COO Salt means what we know, completely dissociated, so that single arrow we are going to choose. CH3CO minus plus Na plus. We are talking about hydrolysis, so the salt I have to add to the water. Water is a weak electrolyte, so the double arrow H plus and OH minus. When this salt we are going to add to the water, no. So all are presenting in C. CH3COO salt plus this H2O. Left side I am writing, right side I am writing. CH3CO minus plus Na plus H plus OH minus. Water is a weak electrolyte, but the salt is a strong electrolyte. That means completely dissociated. Completely means always it is existing in the ionic form only. So that what I am going to write now, whatever the left side CH3CO Na is there, I will write as CH3CO minus plus Na plus water I have to write as a H2O only, because it is a weak electrolyte. It is not completely dissociated. It is partially only dissociated. That is why H2O I will write. Come to right side. Right side what is there? These ions are there as it is CH3CO minus Na plus H plus OH minus. Any common ions are there means just cut it down. Okay, I will talk about now. Wait. These are the, in our salt solution, all these ions are there. Now I will talk about tendency how they can react. Okay, as of our knowledge, this minus sign is there. CH3CO minus. It is a basic nature. It can react with this Na plus. There is a one possibility and there is other possibility. CH3CO minus cannot react with OH minus because both are minus. What is common sense? This minus sign can react with this positive or this positive. First option. Observe here. First option. These two. CH3CO Na and Na plus. What is forming? Again our salt only forming. Salt is nothing but again these ions. So that you are taking first option means same ions only will be there in the solution. So it is not correct. And second I will go. What is second? Here? See. C3CO minus H plus. These two C3CO minus and H plus. What you are expecting? This one and this one. What you are expecting here? CH3COOH expecting. It is a weak acid, strong acid. CH3COOH is a weak acid. What is the meaning of weak? Weak acid, strong acid? It is a weak acid. It is a weak acid. So it cannot dissociate. That is why we are calling acetic acid is a weak acid. It cannot. Once it is formed, it will be in unionized form only. That is why this green tendency. This tendency is successful. Over. Go for other tendency. Na plus. Na plus won't react with H plus. That is common sense. Na plus can react with OH minus. Na plus can react with CH3CO minus. First option. Na plus CH3CO minus. What you are expecting again? CH3COO Na only you are expecting. That is nothing but this. That is nothing but the salt. That is nothing but these two ions again. So this tendency is not possible. What is the other tendency? Na plus OH minus. What is the product you are expecting? Na plus OH minus. What you are expecting? NaOH. NaOH is a strong or weaker? It is a strong base. Strong base means, what is the meaning of the strong? Again it is giving OH minus ion and Na plus ion very fastly. That means if you are choosing this tendency Na plus OH minus, the expected product will be NaOH, which is a strong base. Strong base means again it is converting into Na plus and OH minus. Strong base means easily converting into ion. Easily converting into ions means again Na plus OH minus is forming. That means the same ions only available. That is why this tendency also not useful. So as it is, this and this combinedly forming weak acid. So unionized form. These two are as it is. What is that two remaining two? Na plus as it is and OH minus also as it is. What is this side is there? This side CH3CO minus plus Na plus water. Any common thing is there means you can cancel. Na plus this side, here Na plus this side cancel. And anything is there? Nothing is common. So final equation. What is the final equation now? What is the final equation? CH3CO minus plus H2O gives CH3COOH plus OH minus. So these are the this is there in the final solution. In final solution, acetate ions are there, water is available, acetic acid available, OH minus available. This is the resultant solution. This will decide the nature of the solution. In a final solution, what are there? OH minus ions are there. OH minus ions is the representation. Indicates what nature? Basic nature. This is what I was studying. If you are taking this salt means, you are adding water means, there is a tendency among the ions. So there is a tendency among the ions. Based on that, you are getting a unionized acid, that is acetic acid, and OH minus ions in the resultant solution. OH minus ions representing the basic nature. That is why whenever basic nature is there, pH definitely greater than 7. That is what in a last slide, directly they are writing this equation. C3CO minus H2O, C3COH, OH minus. Now you can understand why we are writing this equation directly. Why like this? This and all happening, finally the same equation only. They are writing in the previous slide. This is the equation. Here also OH minus ions representing. That is why we are telling that the nature of the salt solution of, that is why the nature of the salt solution of strong base and weak acid is a basic in nature. This is what our study. We will meet in a next video with some other concept. Okay.